Hey everyone, and welcome to Forge Aesthetics. Today's video is all about conquering those gym jitters and becoming a confident beginner. So, you want to start lifting but feel overwhelmed by all the information on the internet. We'll cover everything you need to know, from training basics to fueling your body and recovering like a champ. So grab your water bottle, put on your favorite workout clothes, and let's get started. Step 1. Go to the gym. No one will judge you for being skinny or overweight. Everyone started somewhere. Going with a friend, new or experienced, can make it more fun. The gym might seem intimidating at first, but the good news is most people there are friendly and supportive. They love sharing their knowledge and seeing others get started on their fitness journey. Don't hesitate to ask for help. First things first, ditch the intimidation factor. Start slow, focus on proper form over heavy weights, and listen to your body. Nobody expects you to be a pro on day one. Form is the king. Proper form is crucial to prevent injuries and maximize results. Don't be afraid to ask gym staff or a trainer for guidance on specific exercises. There are also tons of free instructional videos online you can reference. Finding your routine. There are many workout splits, but for beginners, a full body routine 2 to 3 times a week is a great way to hit all major muscle groups. We'll explore some sample exercises later in the video. Sample beginner exercises. Workout A squats, bench press, incline bench press, overhead press, either dumbbell or barbell. Workout B deadlift, bicep curls, pull-ups, barbell row. Remember, this is just a starting point. There are tons of variations you can explore as you get stronger. Progressive overload is very crucial for muscle growth. Progressive overload is all about gradually increasing the difficulty of your workouts at the gym to keep challenging your muscles and keep seeing results. It's like giving your muscles a little push to get stronger. Here's the basic idea. You stress your muscles by lifting weights, doing body weight exercises, etc. This stress creates tiny tears in the muscle fibers. Your body repairs those tears and makes the muscles stronger in the process. If you keep doing the same workout with the same weight or intensity, your muscles eventually adapt and stop making progress. Progressive overload helps by slowly increasing the challenge. This could be by lifting heavier weights, doing more repetitions, doing more sets, or shortening rest periods. By progressively overloading, you keep forcing your muscles to adapt and grow stronger, leading to better results in terms of muscle mass or strength gains. Track your workouts using a notepad, app, or paper to ensure you are consistently progressing. Nutrition and supplementation. Food is your body's fuel. Aim for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. For nutrition, focus on protein intake. Consume 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, or 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram. If you're skinny, bulk up by staying in a calorie surplus. To cut, be in a calorie deficit. Find your maintenance calories using a TD calculator and adjust your intake accordingly. Stay hydrated. Water is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. For supplements, only protein powder and creatine are recommended. Protein powder helps if you're not getting enough protein from your diet, and creatine is a supplement that can give you a slight boost. Avoid unnecessary supplements like BCAAs or EAAs. Recovery. Sleep is king. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. This allows your muscles to repair and rebuild. Conclusion. Focus on the basics: proper training, enough protein, and good sleep. These are the 3 essentials for bodybuilding. Advanced strategies aren't necessary for beginners or non-competitive bodybuilders. If you have more questions, ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and share this video with any friends who want to start going to the gym.